In other health news, the number of COVID-19 cases linked to the Delta variant in Rhode Island has jumped to 42, according to new data from the Rhode Island Department of Health.
It's an increase of 28 Delta cases since the last update provided on July 12th. And 12 News reporter Alexandra Leslie joins us now. Alex, that may only be a snapshot, though, of how the Delta variant is impacting the state.
Yeah, as the Department of Health notes on its variant data page, counts reported are just from a sampling of positive COVID-19 cases within the state that have undergone what's called whole genome sequencing. It's what's done to determine what strain of the virus somebody has. Now, the Department of Health also notes the cases reported therefore don't represent the total number that could be circulating in Rhode Island. The DOH reported 91 new positive cases overall yesterday, the state's largest single-day total since May 20th. In addition to the highest daily positive case rate, 1.8%, since May 16th. The 7-day rate of cases also increased, though the state is still considered to have moderate transmission. This week, Governor Dan McKee noted how most recent data shows roughly 92% of Rhode Islanders who have died or were hospitalized over the past 2 months were unvaccinated at the time. At a CNN town hall in Ohio last night, President Joe Biden continued to emphasize the importance of getting vaccinated.
We've lost more people in the United States, over 630-some thousand people, than in every major war we've ever fought in the United States of America. And that's come to a screeching halt for those who've been vaccinated. It really has, not a joke. This is overwhelming evidence to sustain that.
Now, yesterday we learned Rhode Island also surpassed 650,000 people fully vaccinated, but demand for the vaccine has been slowing. Data shows that only about 650 doses are being administered per day. That's compared to roughly 8,000 a day back in the peak in April. Live in the control room, Alexandra Leslie, 12 News.